Next are internet content filters. They monitor internet traffic and block access to pre-selected websites and file types. Unapproved sites identified by URL or matching keywords such as gambling or sports. Next, you have web security gateways. These can block malicious content in near real time, blocking content through application level filtering. Some examples of this are by blocking ActiveX or adware or peer to peer file sharing. When choosing security devices, you must choose whether to take an active or passive role. Some passive measures include these firewall devices we've been discussing and internet content filters. Intrusion detection systems can detect attack as it occurs. It's important to understand that if you have chosen to take a passive approach, then you're choosing to monitor. And when you're monitoring, you need to choose a methodology, whether they be anomaly based monitoring, signature based monitoring, behavior based monitoring, or heuristic monitoring. Anomaly based compares current detected behavior with a known good baseline. Signature based looks for well known attack signature patterns. Behavior based detects abnormal actions by processes and programs and then alerts a user who decides whether to allow or block that type of activity. And heuristic uses experience based technique. Some call it learning. With intrusion detection systems, you have a couple different types to choose from, starting with the host based intrusion detection system. It's usually a software application that can detect attack as it occurs on the local system. It monitors system calls and file system accesses and can recognize unauthorized registry modifications. The disadvantages to a HIDS or host-based intrusion detection system is it cannot monitor network traffic until it reaches the local system, and all log data is generally stored locally, which means you'll need larger hard drive space, which often can be equated to a larger and more expensive system. They are also extremely resource intensive and have a tendency to slow down the local host. Next, you have NIDS, or Network Intrusion Detection Systems. These watch for attacks over the network. NIDS sensors are installed on firewalls and routers and gather information and report back to the central device. Passive NIDS will sound an alarm, where active NIDS will sound an alarm and take some sort of actions. Now, these actions may include filtering out an intruder's IP address or terminating the TCP session. Generally, we associate these actions more with a NIPS or Network Intrusion Protection System. The Network Intrusion Protection System or Prevention System operates very similar to an active NIDS. It monitors network traffic to immediately block a malicious attack, and NIPS sensors are located in line instead of on the firewall itself.